My name is Prathamesh Prasad Karmodkar and my topic name is Pidilite Case Study of the Entrepreneurship Management. Objective: to accessing the company's approach to marketing, distribution, expansion, to understanding how the Pidilite maintains its competitive edge in the market, brand position, and market differentiation, to understanding the company's financial metrics and the factors influencing its financial health, to studying the Pidilite's market share, customer base, or geographic reach, to analyze the Pidilite's efforts towards the environmental sustainability. Introduction: they looked carefully at this person. This person is a wood peon in the wooden warehouse. He is so poor. He set up a company with annual sales exceeding the 10,000 crore. He sells goods worth rupees 29 crore every day and sells goods worth rupees 1 crore every hour. His company valuation is rupees 1 lakh 28,000 crore. He has one-sided monopoly in the market. He has captured 70% of the market. He himself not only become rich, however made many people rich. The name of this person is Balwantrai Parekh and the company is established. Its name is Pidilite Industries. This company makes a Fevicol and its work is stick. Everything sticks like a stick paper, a furniture, either it is cement and tile work on the roof. It sticks everything. Its qualification: it's born in Mahua. Sri Balwantrai Parekh come from a small town situated in the Bhavnagar district of Gujarat, India. As a student, he attended the government law college but never practiced law after graduating. Owing to the innumerable lies the profession demanded, Parekh left his studies midway and dived into the Quit India movement, launched by Mahatma Gandhi in Gujarat. Only after he had stayed in his hometown and participated in various social activities over the next year, he returned to Mumbai and finished his education. Find the surrounding problem and solve the problem. How the idea of the productive. Find the problem around you and whatever problem is solved, your business is ready. So Balwant Rai Parekh is also did same. Balwant Rai ji worked as a peon at a wood merchant as it was a further work. So everyone needed edible gum. The edible gum which was made from animal fat. Now first boil it, then cool it, then apply it, and in this entire process smell was terrible, and then many people who did not want to touch the animal fat material. In this process waste so much time of the carpenters and attention it is being made with so much hard work and yet it is not durable. Balwant Rai ji researched on his level and he found a product that can be used to make a material from a synthetic resin which can be applied directly. There is no tension of the boiling, cooling, more stronger than animal fat. After making this product, he told the carpenter to apply this. The carpenter gives excellent feedback. So Balwant Rai ji started his own company in 1959 and named as a Parekh Dairy. Later it became Parekh Dicamlite and then it became Pidilite. The product that was launched for the first time, what was its name? Fevicol. Business lesson number 1. Find your surrounding problem, the business will be established, and secondly your product should be awesome. It should be better in comparison of the current period. Distribution. So in the past, what was the simple way of the distribution? So first make the product, then give it the wholesaler, then it to the give to the distributor, and then distributor to give the shopkeeper, and then the customer will take it from the shopkeeper. Balwant Rai ji said, our margin is very less, and if the entire chain got eaten up in the between then, and secondly then said that this work in only B2C product where the customers come directly and ask for the thing. And they said that the customers is asking for a furniture like you want a sofa. Now what come is being used on the sofa, it doesn't matter to him. Or secondly you can tell carpenter what goods are needed for the creating of sofa. What the carpenter says, we write down or bring the goods. So Parekh ji said that whether the customer's money is being used, the decision of which type of the gum will be used is made by the carpenter. I will not go to the customer, I will go to the track of the wholesale or a distributor, I will go to straight to the carpenter. So after making his product filling of the bottle, after explaining it to each carpenter, he used it to sell it directly. Business lesson number two. Understand who the real buyer is or understand the influencer. Anyone who gives money is not only the customer, who influence the decision is also important. Marketing phase. Parekh ji know one thing who is our god carpenter. They created FCC. What are the FCC? FCC means the Fevical Championship. What did they do in this? They use it to invite the all the carpenters like a come today. We will give you training. New tales, word will teach you to make design. Develop many of your skills. Secondly, they use this to gathering in the launch of the new product. Ask us what is your feedback. Secondly, they used to use this gathering ask us what is your feedback on it and use to take new market insight from them. Also in the gathering someone said, Sarji, where we make a furniture product and if what comes there, then it create many problems. So Pidilite made Fevicol Mare. So Pidilite made Fevicol Mare and if they said like that we make the furniture and it gets spoiled in sunlight, so Pidilite made Fevicol Latex. Then sir said, Sarji, there are big projects, it takes time to do slowly. They made Speedex. Hence, as soon as they took the feedbacks, research and launched the new product. They launched many products for type, marbles, sailing. In today's fact, there are 380 such small clubs, and a total of the 40,000 carpenters are directly associated with Fevicol. So Fevicol said that they will develop the product as per the needs of the people, and this is the rule of the market. Business lesson number 3. Boosting consumers' well-being. You help your consumers increase their knowledge. Carpenter is our goal. If the carpenter will be happy, our brand will be great. Launch the product as per the customer. Expansion. Dependency on the one product is bad thing. So the organic growth is the thing new and make it from the zero. Inorganic growth means let's buy already established brand. He chose inorganic growth means Pidilite by already established brand. So Pidilite purchases AMSIL belonged to the Mahindra and Mahindra now AMSIL and already captured 60% of the selling market and regioned as the king. Then they mentioned a product designed for sticking tiles and marble colored roof. They bought it, then steel grip. It is also purchased by Pidilite. In today's date, Pidilite has more than 20 different brands in which there are only a few made by them. And what is the benefit buying them? The first thing is the dependency is removed from the field. The second thing is they have gone every sector. Like if any customer wants some work to be done on the roof, take the Alfix, it is ours. Do you want stick your tiles? Take the rough, it is ours. If you want to paste anything, there is only one synonym. It was Fevicol. Expand the product portfolio within the domain. Packaging innovation. So they said we didn't come into B2C market. So they said we are already have boxes of 5 kg and 10 kg. We will also make something worth rupees, 5 rupees, 10 rupees. So they are also made Fevicol and the Fevistick. They said that when a small child is doing a small project, then it should use my product. When the same child grows up, then we will use my second product. And when it grows bigger, he will use my third product of Fevicol. Overall, they have made their product on OTC. OTC what? The OTC means the over-the-counter product, which sold directly or get indirectly or directly, like a Fevistick or Fevikwik at any general store or any stationery. Business lesson number 5. You have some product, however, if you put different packet, then different price points is also be covered. your product is also same, but if you are differentiate the packaging, you will be able to catch many target audience. Marketing phase 2. Then they started TV commercial. If you sit and watch the ads of the Fevicol, you will keep watching and smile. Those ads hits directly. Why? They did not take celebrities. Take the common man. And many time in their ads they included their own carpenter so that they look at real people and use a real location. They use old places for advertising. There is a wood and dirt line. There is a sunshine. A common man standing. His hair as scattered. This developed the reliability. Various great taglines like ये फेविकॉल का जोड़ है उठेगा नहीं. What is their logo? Two elephants are the pulling something in opposite direction. It is a piece of the wood which is tied with the Fevicol. When Fevicol was sold, the name Fevicol was not remembered. So in the beginning, carpenter used it to say, "वो हाथी वाला देना हाथी वाला." So due to this हाथी वाला, they get the brand recall done very well. Lesson number 6: always remember your use. Supply chain management. It is very important for his supply chain to be strong. Our sales have increased from 100 crores to 200 crores. However, from whom we buy the goods, they are not able to deliver that the quality that we want to give good products to the market. So such companies which operate on such big levels, it also managed its own supply chain. So they did backward integration. So they acquired plant itself, like they acquiring brand in front. They also acquire a brand in the front. They also acquired supplies from the behind, like we will make it by ourselves. So they are making their own raw material on a global level. They have more than eight large manufacturing plants and have more than 30 subsidiaries which sells goods in countries like the US and the Singapore, and have more than 500 products which he exported to more than 70 countries. Due to all these things, their dominance in the market. Business lesson number 7: take care of your supply chain as well as if you once get successful, pay attention towards the global attention. Conclusion: Pidilite is a market leader in its industry and has maintained its position for years. It attracts a wide range of the people from its advertising and marketing strategies. It also focuses on the research and development and innovation, which is also one of the reasons for it being a market leader. Pidilite's strong brand portfolio and innovative product development have enabled it to maintain a leading position in the adhesive and the sealants market. Pidilite focus on the product's quality and customer satisfaction and market expansion. The bibliography. This is a bibliography: youtube.com, ChatGPT platform, unstock.com, iid.com, sudoku.com. Reference: the Pidilite case study highlights the company's journey from being a small manufacturer in India to becoming a global player in the adhesive and construction chemical. One of the key factors contributing to Pidilite's success is its focus on the innovation and the product diversification. By constantly introducing a new and improved product, Pidilite has been able to stay ahead of the competition and meet the evolving need of its customers. Additionally, Pidilite's strong distribution network and brand presence have played a significant role in its growth. Overall, the Pidilite's case study serves as an inspiring example of how a company can achieve the sustainable growth through innovation, strategic partnership, and a strong commitment to social responsibility. Thank you.